When tests are captured, we check a bunch of fields like status codes, response body, business logic checks, and more.
But not everything can be checked reliably, right?
Yes, fields like timestamps, tokens, request IDs, they change even when your code didn't change.
So, what if we could check every field?
That's exactly what Keploy does. While recording, it spots non-deterministic fields and marks them as noise.
Everything else stays in strict comparison.
And you can see it live, right in the dashboard.
Noise is tagged automatically, right next to the request and response. But how does it actually know a field is noisy versus just broken?
Keploy runs as a sidecar proxy, intercepts every request, response, then records them as tests. Every dependency call gets swapped for its recorded mock inside a sandbox. On replay, Keploy sends the recorded request to the service again. Every dependency call the app tries to make gets intercepted and answered by the mock instead.
And the response we get back gets checked against the originally recorded one. And that comparison is where denoising actually happens.
Deterministic fields match exactly. Anything Keploy sees drifting between the recorded response and the replayed response gets flagged as noisy and excluded from the check.